does a big, shiny metal trailer impact your life every day? You're about to find out. Today, we traveled to Alliance, Ohio to visit a manufacturer whose name you've probably seen on the road, Mack Trailer. Mack Trailer spans across the country with 12 locations and is the nation's leader in custom aluminum and steel manufactured trailers. Mack Trailer's digital library was overstocked with duplicate and obsolete parts, making it difficult for engineers to find the components they needed for designs. With the help of Siemens and Cadenas, Mack Trailer was able to reduce their internal parts count, transform the process, and accelerate design times. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
You ready to be on camera today?
Yes.
So who is your prime customer? Who's wanting a custom trailer built?
We have a lot of fleets and a lot of end users. I don't know the percentage, but we do offer a vast variety of trailers. So we can build approximately 8 a day here, depending on our schedule and what we are required by our customers.
Okay, well, I am excited to see what you guys do. And so you're going to be our tour guide today, Brian.
Yes.
So let's go check it out.
Come on.
Help us understand all of the components in a trailer. And I know that there are many, so maybe you could just kind of break it down into one example.
Sure. So every component of these trailers is individually drawn. So all these components and drawings that we have are in our toy box. And once we get a spec from our customer, we put those toys together, those models, those extrusions together to build these beautiful trailers.
Okay, and so how were engineers finding those components previously?
So a lot of what we do is off a reference. So say Joe got a trailer a couple years ago, we'll pull that trailer in. Of course there was updates, just like any product in the industry, there's updates. So we have to go and find those components, dig them up and get them updated. So sometimes it's very tiresome to find those components and search for what we need.
How long does that take, that process?
It could take anywhere from seconds to minutes to an hour, just depending on what that customer needs.
So were you looking for a way to streamline that process?
Absolutely.
And how did Team Center help do that?
Sure. So the biggest hurdle we have is getting the prints from our computer out to the shop. So any way we can streamline that gets the shop their prints quicker. So as we search through components and find things, Team Center has given us that ability to streamline that and get that quicker in our models, get the product out to the drawings out to the shop, and get these guys building trailers.
This is like the Mack Trailer Bible. We're going to show you what's inside. This is important. You
Yes,
can't lose
very
this.
important. Every trailer has one.
I feel like I'm very powerful to be holding this. I'm going to let you start.
Okay.
You flip through it and tell me what this is for.
So every trailer at Mack, especially this facility, comes in a folder like this. And there's an overview of our trailer. So every print in here has a BOM. That BOM then correlates to the parts needed to build that trailer.
So this is what the people in here are working off of each day.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so the shape of these trailers is pretty unique.
Yes, it is.
So tell me what people might see these trailers doing on the road and what they're typically carrying.
Anything agricultural will be hauled in here. Gravel. We have some customers hauling sludge.
So is this one of your more frequently purchased products?
Yes, so this trailer right here, we are scheduled out through 2023. We are into 24 right now, so a very hot product for us.
So they're going fast, folks. You have to wait till 2024 if you haven't put your order in yet. Sorry. What is happening here?
This is one of our...
The floor is moving, Brian.
So this is a walking floor trailer. Keith Manufacturing supplies us with the floor, the extrusions, and the drive unit.
Okay.
And what you're seeing here is this is how the load will discharge. Right now it's in the opposite position. It's actually loading.
Yep.
But as you see, each individual slat moves in sections of 3.
Can I touch this?
Yeah, you're fine.
Nothing's gonna happen?
No.
I'm not gonna lose my hand?
No.
All right, so the material that would go into this trailer is something everybody has, and it is...
Trash.
It's our trash. It's a trashy trailer.
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me about how much trash this trailer can hold and how it might be used.
The trash trucks that go around and you see on a daily basis, they'll go to a transfer station. That trash will then be offloaded, and a dozer or an excavator or a skid steer will load this trailer up.
So it's important for all of us because, I mean, whether we are Mack Trailer customers, we are getting the benefit of the Mack Trailer product because it's hauling away our trash. Okay, very cool.
That's how the operations are run day to day across the Mack Trailer locations. Next, we sat down with some individuals responsible for streamlining this process.
I integrate stuff between engineering and IT.
Okay, and so in doing that, what were some of the challenges that you were finding with working with engineers and trying to integrate with IT? What was your biggest challenge?
So basically, we knew we had a problem with how many parts we had, overusing parts, opening new facilities and copying what we had to the new facility, then creating new over there. We knew we were building this beast, this monster, this issue. It became the point where engineers literally told me it is faster for them to draw the part again than it is to go searching for it. Cadenas gave us the tool to find the problems, where the issues lied, what we were duplicating, what was obsolete.
Is this a unique problem to Mack Trailer?
I would say this is a problem that any manufacturing company in particular is probably going to encounter if they're trying to move from a file system or maybe an older PDM system into something newer. We went from 1.3 million to 300,000 parts, which is a huge difference in data. I would add that it's been great working with Cadenas and Siemens. They've given us tools that have allowed us to create efficiencies and standards across our business that we wouldn't have otherwise. And they've allowed us to continue to be one of the top manufacturers in our industry.
Before wrapping up the day at the Mack Trailer headquarters, Brian gave us an eye-opening look at the difference Team Center has made for their company. So if you were wanting to make a custom trailer previously, you're scrolling through all of this. This is a mess.
It is a mess.
It's a little overwhelming.
Yes.
And engineers were searching through, what we see here is, 100 or so files, but there were millions of folders and files.
So
just like
each
these.
one of these folders has additional folders in it, and it just continues to build and build and build.
And as new parts were made, they were just adding to that.
That is correct.
Okay, so now you'll have a much more streamlined, simplified process.
So with Team Center here, it allows us to find that part quicker. So we can grab a part from Team Center and bring it in, and it's quick. It gets our product out to the shop, and then get building on that trailer very quickly.
And not only does it let you search for parts faster, but the parts there are less now. They've been consolidated.
Correct.
Okay, that makes everybody's job easier.
Sure does.
After today, you may look at the Mack Trailer logo differently when you see it on the road. This is a company that's truly investing in its employees while improving the lives of its customers.